Hi, it's Heather with another installment of R-Rated Reviews. And I should probably be happier and calmer today because I have a couple of new products that actually work. They're very simple and hopefully they'll keep my shop warm. The first one is a heat-powered stove fan. The best part about it is it doesn't use batteries, it doesn't use electric. It is heat-generated power. So you literally sit it on top of a wood stove or kerosene heater, and it immediately just starts to blow heat like a regular stove fan. I put it on, and it immediately started blowing. Got it for $25 off of Amazon.
A lot of kids watching, Billy.
Oh, yeah. Hi, kids. Here's an important message from your Uncle Bill. Don't buy drugs. Become a pop star and they give you for free. And I do believe...
I just got it a couple of days ago. It also has a thermostat, a little magnetic thermostat that just sticks right to the front of the stove, because it does tell you that you can't have the stove get hotter than like 345 degrees because it might be too hot for the fan. It's made out of like rust resistant aluminum. It has an extra, I think this is supposed to be the extendable handle that you can pick it up with if it gets hot, but I don't know how it works because it came with no instructions other than where to place it. The stove I have doesn't have a spot. You're not supposed to place it right in the middle in the front, but I had to place it right in the middle in the front because the back left corner is rounded and has a hole, and the back right corner is also rounded. So my stove doesn't have anywhere else it can go. And here's the little thermostat. I'm at 300 degrees. So as long as it doesn't go over 350, and it is blowing pretty warm air. It's supposed to make the air circulate around my workshop a little bit better because it's cold in here. The second product I bought, I mean, so far it works great. I can't tell you about the longevity of it, but if it has no moving parts, as long as I don't melt it, I can't see why it wouldn't last because of the 1-year warranty. And I don't know. I mean, what could, other than melting it, what could break? The second item I bought, a propane heater, a propane top heater. It's DuraHeat. Let me turn it around. So this one is the dual heater. So it's between 9,000 and 30,000 BTUs per hour. And it just hooks to a 20-pound tank. I didn't realize you could swivel it. That would be good because I definitely need to swivel it. I only have one side lit right now. It does have a very sensitive safety feature of the tip over. This is how much I love my movie. I hauled the television out to my workshop with my DVD player so that while I was making Christmas presents, I could watch Love Actually. And when I first came out, it was just way too cold in here. The TV turned on, and the DVD player kept skipping, and it was randomly playing parts in the middle and then like 10 minutes into the movie. So I put it on the step stool a decent distance away to try to warm up the DVD player until the electronics of it got warm enough. And then once it was warmed up, it played fine. And then I moved it back. But I tipped it that much while carrying it, and it went out. So it is definitely safe. And the left side didn't want to relight immediately. I'm just going to give it a little while. And I don't really need both of them going right now because it's not overly cold. I believe this is normally like $99 on Amazon. I got it for $65. They're available on a whole bunch of different sellers. This one is called DuraHeat. It's just radiant tank top heater. That's it. And I didn't realize you can swivel that. It's good because I'm going to try to swivel that in a little while. And hopefully the fan will blow even more heat over here. And I will get to keep my workshop warm while I make my homemade Christmas presents, which, by the way, are coming along nicely. I'm going to do that today, and I should have it all finished in time for Christmas. Although, my older daughter just revealed to me today she's going to South Carolina for Christmas to spend it with her boyfriend's family, which I think is fantastic. But that officially removes any chance of seeing anybody for fucking Christmas. So I'm going to make sure I have this done by next weekend. She's leaving on the 22nd. I'm going to get it done on the 21st. I think the propane tank, it works for a long time. Okay, it says a 20-pound tank capable of up to 48 hours. I believe that's with both burners lit. If you have one burner lit, maybe longer. It also depends. I don't turn the valve open all the way. It says to, but as far as I'm concerned, it's giving it gas. It doesn't need to be all the way open. So if you guys have questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you'd like to share it, feel free. I think I'll try to put the links to where I bought them in the description. Have a great day.
I love her. And true love lasts a lifetime. Joni Mitchell is the woman who taught your cold English wife how to feel.
Did she? Oh, that's good. I was right to sometime a safe thing.
Now, which doll should we give daisies to friend Emily? The one that looks like a transvestite?